In 1992, plastic surgeon Dr. Robert Hamas and his wife were on a flight to Colorado. She was drinking water without ice, and he had a scotch on the rocks. When the plane hit some turbulence and her drink sloshed out and his did not, the veteran plastic surgeon realized he could create a saline-filled breast implant with an internal structure that could eliminate the issues his patients had with traditional saline implants: sloshing, wrinkling, and unnatural feel, without the concerns associated with silicone gel implants, silent rupture, regular MRI scans required to check for rupture, and women's anxiety about silicone gel in their tissues. That day, the concept for the IDEAL Implant structured breast implant was born, and breast implant technology took a step forward. The innovative implant's patented internal structure is considered by many experienced surgeons to be one of the best innovations in breast implant technology to date. While our practice offers our patients all implant options to address their personal needs, we are especially proud to be an IDEAL Implant premier surgeon practice. This latest advancement in breast implant technology now allows women to enjoy the beautiful look and natural feel they want without wondering whether their implant is intact, and the peace of mind of only saline inside. This exciting advancement also offers the lowest rates of rupture and capsule contracture compared to other options at 8 years after primary augmentation, and very high patient satisfaction rates. Dr. Hamas and the many board-certified surgeons who now offer IDEAL Implant across North America are doctors committed to continued innovation that better serves patients. As an IDEAL Implant premier surgeon practice, we are committed to ensuring that women are educated about all of their implant options, and as a result, a growing number of women are asking for this new implant technology. Thanks to a curious mind and a bit of turbulence, now more women are choosing IDEAL Implant and beauty without compromise every day. If you're considering breast augmentation, contact our office today for a no-obligation consultation.